Alright, that's it. All teams begin tactical retrograde procedures. Cover civilian transports as long as you can, and then get out of there. Evac, evac, evac.
Envelopes. Chaser. Colonel, I still got my ESD.
Negative, Chaser. Fall back to the transport and provide escort.
Copy that. Chaser out. You only live but once. When you're dead, you're done. Chaser to Tempest.
Go for Tempest.
How you holding up?
I don't know how we're gonna get out of this one.
Oh, you will. You can bet.
Chase, what are you doing?
Miranda, I don't know if they got out. You find my family, you tell them I try to buy them time. You hear me? I'm buying all of you time.
Chase, you heard the order. Fall back.
Back to your transport left. What's up? Down a river.
Chase?
Love you, babe. See you as soon as I can.
Chase? Chase?